Elias, a young adventurer with messy dark hair and tattered clothing, clings to a piece of driftwood as he battles the stormy ocean. Lightning strikes, illuminating his wide green eyes, filled with fear and determination. The water glows faintly, hinting at the mystical world that lies ahead. Eventually, the storm subsides, and Elias washes up on a strange shore of glowing iridescent sand. A delicate fairy with shimmering wings and molten gold eyes hovers before him, warning him of the Hollow King in a distant shadowy forest. Determined, Elias walks through Fairyland, where glowing blue moss lights his path, and towering mushrooms pulse with bioluminescent light. Strange vines curl at his feet, and the swirling twilight sky above is dotted with watchful stars. He treads carefully across a tranquil lake, its surface smooth as glass, wary of the dark shapes beneath the water. Next, he crosses a delicate moonlit bridge, where mischievous goblins block his way. With cool resolve, he outwits them and then continues onward, entering a dark forest where skeletal trees reach toward a crimson sky. He tightens his grip on a small fairy charm, knowing he's entering the domain.